As you can see how much your body can make a difference to your appearance. Well, among all body types, aesthetic body or V-shaped body is preferred to be more attractive and appealing to women. First, what is an aesthetic body? In short, an aesthetic body typically refers to a physique that is considered visually pleasing and harmonious. This can involve well-defined musculature, balanced proportions, and a low body fat percentage. The definition may vary among individuals and cultural contexts, but often an aesthetic body is normally considered as wide shoulders and a slim lower body. Whether we like it or not, an aesthetic can't be built overnight. It takes time and effect. So first, exercise attractive body parts in a male body. A wide chest, shoulders, biceps, neck, forearms and legs. Now here are some exercises to train them, which you can easily do at home. Push-up. Push-up is a bodyweight exercise that involves lowering and raising the body using the arms. It primarily targets the muscles in the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Additionally, push-ups engage the muscles in the core and lower body for stabilization. It's a versatile and effective exercise for building upper body strength and endurance. Lateral raises. Lateral raises specifically work the lateral, or side, head of the deltoids, helping to build shoulder width and improve overall shoulder definition. It's a beneficial exercise for enhancing shoulder strength and aesthetics. Neck curl. Neck curls are an exercise that targets the muscles in the neck, specifically the muscles at the front, anterior, of the neck. Biceps curl. Biceps curls are a classic strength training exercise that targets the muscles in the upper arm, specifically the biceps brachii. You can also do this exercise with backpacks. I have also prepared a free Google Sheet exercise plan which you can find in the description section. Second, protein. To be honest, it's hard sometimes to spend money on just a protein shake, so you go for a homemade protein shake. Take 1 peeled banana, 150-gram low-fat natural yogurt or soya yogurt, 100 milliliters of semi-skimmed milk or dairy-free milk, 1 TBSP peanut butter, 1 TBSP chia seeds, 1-2 TSP cinnamon or to taste, and grind them in the mixer. Proper sleep is extremely important, not only for your body but overall for your skin, brain, and energy. So try to take a proper 7 to 8 hours of sleep for muscle growth. In conclusion, sometimes you can feel demotivated, but remember, in the end, it's worth it. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe too. Motivate me to make videos like these more. Thank you, and see you.